DJ working all over the country. He's from, used to reside in Las Vegas, now makes his home here in Sarasota. Please give it up for DJ Jammin' Jamaz!
Are you all good? Now why is it dark in here? Just some beautiful chicks over here. Oh, wait a minute. That's better. So, what's your name? Michelle. When is the big date? This Saturday? Yeah, I'm free. So I went home and I charged my unit. It was still wet. I didn't even think about it. So the next day I got up, I turned the unit on, and I wanted to go on my business, and here's what the chair went. Oh my gosh. Just in circles. What the hell? It's not going straight. Only one motor was working. The other motor wasn't working, so I couldn't go straight. I was like, oh my gosh. Anyways, that was that. So I left St. Louis. I said, I'm going to Florida. My uncle says, why don't you come down here, man? Sunshine State. Hooray! So I drove down there. Where's your address? Boom, boom, boom. I arrived there. I'm like, what the hell? Where do you live? He says, Florida. I said, this is not Florida. This is the Boondocks. He's in North Pole. I'm like, Jesus, man. Anyways, so here I am, and let's make the best of it. Yeah, right. So I wanted to do stand-up comedy. Anyways, maybe I should go back to DJ. Yeah, I know. You agree with me too, huh? So tell me, what is it like? It is? Yeah. Being a bachelor? Oh, okay. What is both? What's the other one? Bachelor and getting married. No, stay a bachelor a little bit longer. You don't want to do that. Not now. Are you sure? You said 2 months you've been with him? 2 years. 2 years. Okay, I thought I heard 2 months. Never mind. 2 years. And then you decided to take the big dive, whatever, into the water, the ocean. All right. You're going to hold your breath, I know. For a long time. I went to Publix. That's what y'all call your store here. Do some shopping. Okay, Winn-Dixie. Jeez, I don't look like I can afford Publix. Anyway, so I went to Winn-Dixie, and I was trying to get out of the car. See, my car has like a ramp that goes out like that, and it has a turning chair, and it has a ramp that comes out, so I can get in my chair, and my turning chair goes out. So I'm like, now my chair is like next to the wheelchair, so I can slide and everything. This old lady, she's very sweet, can barely walk. She comes up to me, she goes, can I help you? I'm like, oh my gosh, do I really look that fucked up? That old lady's gonna help me? She can barely walk? I says, yeah, can you carry me to the store? Know where to go and have some fun in Sarasota. So I called up my mom, I says, hey, I haven't met anybody yet. No ladies, nothing. She says, well, why don't you go to church? There's lovely ladies in church. I says, yeah, let's do that. So I went to church. Guess what? They're either old as hell, or young as hell, or married, like you're about to be. That's a bad idea. So I tried a dating thing. I went on eHarmony. You all heard about eHarmony? Anybody? So I went on there. I did my thing, name, address, answered all the questions, everything. Boom, I get an email. Ding. I was rejected. I'm like, what the hell? Rejected? Who would reject you on eHarmony? Apparently, they have one question in there. What do you like to see on a woman's face? Well, apparently my balls wasn't the answer they're looking for. Oh my gosh. I thought this was like a nice place to be and meet some chicks and stuff. I gotta try out the venues. So I came up here to the Kellys. Hello. Oh, you're gonna be married. Never mind. What about you? You know. Anyway. Hey, have you done it with anybody in a wheelchair before? Seriously? No? What about you? It's like this, you know? Oh yeah, who's daddy? Who's your daddy? Oh yeah, who's your daddy? You're my daddy. No. Anyways, that's my time, guys. I appreciate y'all coming out here. And hope to see you guys. Come back again. Hey, a round of applause for your wait staff.